Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speaklio English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hey everyone, we're so happy to see you here today.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. I'm excited about today's lesson. How about you?
I'm wonderful, and I'm super excited too, because today we have something really important to share.
Yes, today we're going to talk about a big problem that many English learners have.
That's right. Do you translate everything in your head when you speak English?
Oh yes, many people do this. They think in their language first, then translate to English.
Exactly. But today, we will teach you how to stop translating in your head and start thinking in English naturally.
This will make your English so much faster and more natural.
And it's easier than you think. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Yes, hit that subscribe button right now. It really helps us. Okay, let's start.
So let's talk about the problem first. What happens when you translate in your head?
Well, imagine you want to say something in English.
First, you think in your language.
Right. Then you translate each word to English in your mind.
And then, finally, you speak. But by that time, the conversation has moved on.
Exactly. It's too slow, and sometimes the translation doesn't make sense.
Yes, because every language is different. Word-by-word translation doesn't work.
Let me give you an example. In some languages, people say, I have hunger instead of I am hungry.
Right. If you translate directly, it sounds strange in English.
So the big question is, how do we stop translating and start thinking in English?
Great question. Let me share the first tip. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Tip number 1. Start thinking simple thoughts in English.
Simple thoughts? What do you mean?
I mean, when you're doing everyday activities, describe them in English in your mind.
Oh, like when I'm making coffee, I can think I'm making coffee in my head?
Exactly. Or I'm pouring water. Or the water is hot.
That's so simple. Let's practice this together right now.
Okay, imagine you're waking up in the morning. What do you think?
I can think I'm waking up, I'm opening my eyes, I'm stretching my arms.
Perfect. See how easy that is? You're describing your actions in English.
Yes, I'm getting out of bed, I'm walking to the bathroom.
Great job. This is thinking in English, not translating, just thinking.
I love this. What's the next tip?
Tip number 2. Use pictures and feelings, not words.
Pictures and feelings. Can you explain more?
Sure. When you hear the word dog, don't translate it to your language.
So what should I do?
Just imagine a dog in your mind. See the picture. Feel what you feel about dogs.
Oh, so if I hear happy, I don't translate, I just feel the happiness.
Exactly. Connect words directly to images and emotions.
That makes so much sense. Let's try it. I'll say a word, you show me the feeling.
Okay, I'm ready.
Tired.
Yawning sound. Ugh, I feel sleepy. My eyes are heavy.
Perfect. You didn't translate, you just felt it. Your turn now. Excited.
Yes, my heart is beating fast. I'm smiling. I feel energy.
Beautiful. This is thinking in English naturally. No translation needed.
I love this. What's the next tip?
Tip number 3. Talk to yourself in English every day.
Talk to myself like I'm crazy?
No, it's not crazy. It's practice.
Oh, I see. So when I'm alone, I can practice speaking English.
Yes, you can ask yourself questions and answer them in English.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, you can ask, what should I eat for lunch? Then answer, maybe I'll have some pasta.
That's great. Or I can say, where are my keys? Oh, they're on the table.
Perfect. You're having a conversation with yourself in English.
And this helps my brain think in English more naturally?
Exactly. Your brain practices English without pressure.
I love this idea. What's the next tip?
Tip number 4. Learn phrases instead of individual words.
Phrases instead of words? Why is that important?
Because in real conversations, we use phrases, not single words.
Can you show me what you mean?
Sure, instead of learning how are you separately, learn the whole phrase, how are you?
Oh, so it becomes automatic. I don't have to build the sentence word by word.
Exactly. Let me give you more examples. Instead of translating each word, learn I'm on my way.
Yes, I'm on my way. That's one complete thought.
Right, or let me know, or it depends, or never mind.
Let me know, it depends, never mind. These are all complete phrases.
Perfect. When you learn phrases, you think in phrases. No translation needed.
This is brilliant. What's tip number 5?
Tip number 5. Stop using a dictionary for every word.
Really? But dictionaries help us learn.
They do help, but if you check every word, you're always translating.
So what should we do instead?
Try to understand from context. Look at the whole sentence, not just one word.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Imagine you read, "The dog is barking loudly at the stranger."
Okay, and maybe I don't know the word stranger.
Right, but from the sentence, you can guess it means someone the dog doesn't know.
Oh, I don't need to translate. I can understand from the situation.
Exactly. This keeps you thinking in English.
That's so smart. Okay, what's the next tip?
Tip number 6. Listen and repeat without thinking.
Without thinking? How does that work?
When you listen to English, try to copy what you hear immediately.
So I don't translate first?
No, just repeat like an echo. This trains your brain to respond in English automatically.
Let's try it. Say something and I'll repeat.
Okay, I'm going to the store.
I'm going to the store.
Good. Would you like some coffee?
Would you like some coffee?
Perfect. See, you're not thinking, just responding naturally.
This is fun, and it feels more natural already.
That's the point. The more you do this, the more automatic English becomes.
I love it. What's the last tip?
Tip number 7. Immerse yourself in English every day.
Immerse? What does that mean?
It means surround yourself with English as much as possible.
Like watching English movies and shows?
Yes, and listening to English music, podcasts, YouTube videos.
So my brain gets used to English all the time.
Exactly. When English is everywhere, your brain starts thinking in English naturally.
That makes sense. What about reading?
Yes, read simple English books, articles, even social media posts in English.
And the key is to do this every single day.
Yes, even 15 minutes a day helps. Consistency is important.
Okay, everyone, let's practice together. Let's do a role play.
Great idea. I'll be a customer at a coffee shop. You be the barista.
Okay, remember everyone, think in English, don't translate.
Knock knock. Hello, I'd like to order, please.
Of course, what would you like today?
I'd like a large coffee with milk, please.
Sure, would you like anything to eat?
Do you have any muffins?
Yes, we have chocolate and blueberry muffins.
I'll take a chocolate muffin, please.
Perfect, that'll be $5.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Great job. That was a natural conversation.
Yes, and notice how we didn't stop to translate anything?
Exactly. It just flowed naturally in English.
Let's do one more role play, this time asking for directions.
Okay, I'll ask you for directions.
Ready.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station. Do you know where it is?
Yes, go straight down this street for 2 blocks.
Okay, straight for 2 blocks.
Then turn left at the big red building.
Turn left at the red building. Got it.
The train station will be on your right. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. You're very helpful.
No problem. Have a safe trip.
Excellent. That was perfect practice.
Yes, and remember everyone, these conversations become easier when you think in English.
You don't need to translate every word. Just let the English flow.
So let's review our 7 tips quickly.
Tip 1. Think simple thoughts in English about your daily activities.
Tip 2. Use pictures and feelings, not word by word.
Tip 3. Talk to yourself in English every day.
Tip 4. Learn phrases, not individual words.
Tip 5. Stop using a dictionary for every word. Use context.
Tip 6. Listen and repeat without thinking.
Tip 7. Immerse yourself in English every day.
These 7 tips will change your English forever.
Yes, you will stop translating and start thinking in English naturally.
It takes practice, but you can do it.
Start today. Start right now with simple thoughts.
Remember, every expert was once a beginner.
And you're doing great. We're so proud of you.
Okay, everyone, we've reached the end of today's lesson.
We hope this was helpful for you.
Remember, thinking in English is a skill. It takes time and practice.
But if you practice every day, even for a few minutes, you will improve.
Don't give up. You're doing amazing.
Now we have homework for you. Are you ready?
In the comments below, tell us, which tip will you try first?
Will you talk to yourself in English or learn phrases instead of words?
Write your answer in the comments. We read all of them.
And it helps you practice writing in English too.
Before you go, please subscribe to Speaklio English if you haven't already.
Click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson.
And share this video with your friends who are learning.